Hello and welcome to Sensodyne Presents In the Spotlight Season 2, powered by Nair in association with Panadol Migraine. मेरा नाम है करिश्मा और हम सबके लिए सपना ही है ग्लोब ट्रॉटिंग करना, ढेर सारा ट्रैवल करना, राइट? लेकिन अगर आपका जॉब ही ऐसा हो जो आपको दुनिया भर की सैर कराए, then that becomes your dream job. आज हमारी गेस्ट भी एक ड्रीम जॉब ही जी रही हैं. शी इज अ ट्रैवल व्लॉगर, शी इज अ मॉमफ्लुएंसर, डिजिटल कंटेंट क्रिएटर, TEDx स्पीकर और आज बड़े मजे की शाम बीतने वाली है विद अवंतिका मोहन.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to In the Spotlight.
Thank you.
It's lovely to have you here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Are you comfortable?
Yes.
You're feeling at home?
Yes.
All right, good. Let's begin. पता है आपको discover किया मैंने all thanks to that big beautiful Ambani wedding that was happening a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
Because there was a conversation going on around the wristbands that the celebrities were wearing, and I saw your comment saying go to my stories to find out what the wristbands mean.
Oh God, yes.
तो मैंने कहा ये कौन है? That's how I discovered Avantika Mohan.
This is why I'm here, right? Because I could crack the big.
You did us all a big favor actually.
Yeah, I was actually so you know how we were watching. So I was watching it on my iPad, on my TV, talking to my friend, trying to crack किसने क्या पहना है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, कौन किसके साथ आया and all that. So one of those things was I was curious about the wristbands. Obviously, I think most of us were. And then I called my friend who was attending the wedding, and I was like, please बताना क्यों पहने हुए हैं. Then I figured, and it was so easy. Then I was like, okay, let me not gatekeep this information. Let me just share it with everybody, and I did that.
So it had something to do with the seating arrangement, as simple as that.
Yeah. So it was like an opera seating way of sitting. So it's zone-wise sitting basically. तो उसके हिसाब से colors थे.
Nice. How many countries have you traveled to already?
Somebody said 80, but I want to correct that. It's only 78, and it's a huge difference.
Don't say only with 78. It's not allowed. How did you manage to go to 78 different countries?
I lived my childhood dream. That was to become a flight attendant, and that got me to all the places.
Right.
And जो बहुत सारी जगह जहाँ मेरी flight नहीं उड़ती थी, वहाँ पे बहुत सस्ता ticket था.
Right.
Because I worked in an airline there.
Yes.
So then, yeah, this is what happened.
And then COVID के दौरान क्या हुआ?
So, you know, the first thing that happened during COVID is that a lot of people who did, had jobs around travel and hotels and all these things, they started to lose their jobs because that was the first thing to shut down, you know.
Yes.
Tourism was the first thing to take a hit, and post-COVID, you know, abhi kya ho raha hai, everybody's enjoying. So just the second wave of COVID came and I lost my job.
Lekin life had other plans for you, so you ended up doing what after that then?
So now I run my own agency, like a sort of a social media marketing agency, and this is what I do. And it happened to be something that happened by chance because I was kind of like on Instagram known, had like a certain following, so I knew people. So I really wanted to get into something that I was very comfortable with because I work with brands on this side. I worked with like a lot of brands as a influencer.
Right.
So बहुत बारी क्या होता है ना कि like brands want to have a storytelling or something, and that doesn't resonate with people. I wanted to change that. And since I wanted to be on the other side where I could help the brands to see ki, if you're working with an influencer, what works and what doesn't work.
Yeah.
And these two things collided, and then I got this agency by chance.
That's fantastic. और अब जब आप अपनी travel vlogging के लिए travel करते हो, how is that different from all the travel you've done up until this point?
I think इसमें ना मतलब real travel sometimes gets missed when you're traveling it for the camera. Do you believe it? Like even when you travel and you're doing a lot, all what you're doing is just filming, and then you're like, मैंने देखा ही नहीं. अब photo में देखूंगी, like I was paying attention to what I'm wearing, etc. But it is different. I won't lie. Like since travel has become about what you record of it.
Yes.
I think the real essence of travel has changed.
Taking a moment to just breathe that place in.
Yeah.
Do you make sure you do that though when you do travel? थोड़ा सा device free and screen free and all of that, camera free time.
नहीं मैं इतनी cool नहीं हूँ. मैं vanity के लिए भी travel करती हूँ. मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
चलो ये बताएं हमें कि कोई खास incident, कभी कोई खास चीज हुई हो, कोई anecdotes from places that you can share with us.
So I'll tell you, we've climbed Kilimanjaro but that decision was made in 15 minutes before a flight that I was going to take for another country.
What?
Yeah, so we were going to go for our honeymoon to माचू पिचू पेरू. तो हमने सबको बता दिया था कि अब हम माचू पिचू, हम बहुत कूल है, हम माचू पिचू पेरू जा रहे हैं for our honeymoon etc. And then we had our visas for Peru, but at that time we had to have a visa for Brazil. यार Indian passport, you know how it is. आधा तो visa में ही निकल जाता है time,
Correct.
right? So we reached the airport and then these guys are like, for you to reach there, because our flight was connecting, blah blah blah, they rejected us. They're like, तुम नहीं जा सकते, तुम्हारा ब्राज़ील का वीज़ा नहीं है, तुम bye bye है.
Oh.
So we had to Google which are the countries which allow Indians without like prior visa, and so I checked Emirates ka flights. Tab like we used to get discounted flights. So I checked. ऐसे दूजा 10:30 Dar es Salaam जा रही है फ्लाइट, वहाँ से लोग किलिमंजारो जाते हैं. तो कहता है ठीक है ट्राई कर सकते हैं. हमें कुछ नहीं पता था कैसे क्लाइंब करते हैं, कहाँ से जाते हैं,
कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं, कुछ
भी नहीं. ठीक है, तो हमने जो है दार एस सलाम की फ्लाइट पकड़ ली. वहाँ हम पहुँच गए गधों की तरह, एंड वहाँ पूछ रहे हैं कैसे जाते हैं किलिमंजारो. देन उन्होंने बोला कि नेक्स्ट टाउन लेके, लाइक यू नो यू हैव टू गो टू अनदर टाउन एंड देन गो फ्रॉम देयर. दिस इज हैपनिंग लाइक लिटरली एयरपोर्ट वाईफाई
ऑन द गो. अच्छा,
लाइक ऐसे ऑल दैट. एंड you, like this is about 7-8 years back, okay, so it was not like we'll open one YouTube vlog and somebody will give us information. It was still coming with the age, yeah. So I checked that and then we are there in Moshi town. वहाँ पे हम फ्लाइट पे बैठे, सब अमेरिकन वो जो वो होते हैं ना गेयर पहन के ऐसे स्पाइक्स वाले जूते,
रेडी सारे.
हाँ, और ऐसे सब गेयर वेयर लेके जा रहे हैं.
और शादी के चूड़े में,
मैं चूड़े में वहाँ पहुँच गई हूँ. माउंटेन चढ़ना है.
You're kidding, right?
No, I'm not kidding. And then we are very competitive, okay? So me and my husband, we are very competitive. Like we are like, कौन पहले गिव अप करेगा टाइप्स. वैसे वाले लोग ऐसे होते हैं ना थोड़े.
गुड गुड.
हाँ,
हमारे शो पे चाहिए, हमारे शो पे यही चाहिए.
So हम वो दोनों हम बिल्कुल उसका सैंपल साइज है. Mountain climbing needs like lot of training etc.
Exactly.
So every day one would climb and then there would be a tent where you would stay. So imagine our honeymoon we spend in the tents. And every day at night was like, तुम गिव अप करो, तुम गिव अप करो, तुम गिव अप करो, तुम गिव अप करो. पर हमने गिव अप नहीं किया. We did it. So yeah, that was
You're
nice.
possibly the world's first नई दुल्हन चूड़े वाली on Kilimanjaro.
है ना, मुझे लग रहा है
ये कोई
record. I'm going to tell people don't do it.
Yeah, no, I'm telling you, this has got to be a world record. You have to look it up and you have to file for it. फटाफट से उनको इन्फॉर्म करो गिनेस वालों को.
अब तो इस शो के आने के बाद 2-4 लोग चले जाएंगे.
Alright, you know what? I have to tell you, this has got me very excited क्योंकि हमारा जो शो है आगे जाकर के is all about competitive spirit, right? तो आपको अपनी sportsmanship spirit लानी है, आपको अपनी game जो ए गेम है वो लानी है. तो आपसे भी you know बातचीत तो चली रही है, but we want to meet Durjoy as well, and we want to get to see his competitive side as well. So let's get into a quick break, come back and continue on. All right?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, we'll see you on the other side of this. Welcome back to Sensodyne Presents In the Spotlight Season 2, powered by Nair in association with Panadol Migraine. अभी हमारी बात चल रही थी अवंतिका के साथ and she introduced you as a very competitive human being जिनके साथ वो किलिमंजारो चढ़ के आई हैं, वो भी हनीमून पर. तो वेलकम टू द शो दुर्जॉय. आप इनके हस्बैंड हैं, आप एक स्क्रीन राइटर हैं, एक अकम्प्लिश्ड बेस्ट सेलर ऑथर हैं, you're a TEDx speaker yourself. It's really a pleasure to have you on the show.
Thank you for having me here.
दुर्जॉय, अब तक मैंने कभी किसी कपल का ये किस्सा, this is unrelatable that you guys ended up for your honeymoon deciding to do a competitive climb up Kilimanjaro. Why did you not tell her that this is not where you want to be? Did you want to do this?
Actually, because we are competitive, we were thinking that the other person will give up. Like every morning we would get up and we would hope that the other person will say, let's go back down. But we were so early in our marriage, we did not want to come across as as a loser. So we were like, let's do this. Let's go for one more day. It's only after we came back, we sort of discussed this and she was like, oh, you were also thinking the same thing.
Gosh, what else works out in your favor? बताइए, जब आप अपनी राइटिंग कर रहे होते हैं, कभी अवंतिका को ध्यान में रख के कोई रोल लिखा है आपने?
I think my first at least 7 or 8 books, all the main characters were just her.
Really?
And then I started getting criticism that all your main protagonists, women, they all look the same. And I was like, because it's based on the same woman.
Yeah.
It's only after that, I started varying my characters, but all the earlier women, they were centered around her or a main trait of her.
That's so sweet. How does that make you feel?
Yeah.
That's so sweet. You realize you're immortalized in libraries and bookshops forever.
Yeah, I realized that. Yeah.
How does that make you feel, yeah?
Yeah,
Used
very.
You're used to it. घर की मुर्गी मेरे बारे में नहीं लिखेगा तो किसके बारे में लिखेगा?
अब तो दुर्जय को बोलते हैं ना, अब डेडिकेटेड किसको लिख रहे हो? अब डेडिकेटेड बच्चों को कर रहे हो, मुझे क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
No, even the characters. Now, who's this based on?
हाँ.
Why does this character?
Yeah.
So she's short and beautiful. Who's this short and beautiful girl?
I like that. और you know what? आप दोनों के बीच में ये जो एक बहुत I think it's a very nice sparks वाली chemistry है, and it's gonna be I think even more amplified when we get on the other side of this show, where is games and it's gonna be tough ones आप लोगों के लिए. You've traveled a lot. Yeah. अब the gloves are off. अब मजे आने वाले हैं. So I just read this somewhere. It was a husband saying that my wife and I both were talking to each other about how competitive we are, and both of us laughed. And the last line was, I laughed harder. देखते हैं इन दोनों में से who's gonna be laughing last when we get on with our games. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
So आप दोनों की personalities से based हमने कुछ games तैयार किए हैं आज आपके लिए. And the first one that we're going to be playing with the two of you is called Monumental Mix-Up.
Okay.
कुछ खास जगहें हैं, कुछ landmarks हैं. हमने बहुत ज़बरदस्त टेक्नोलॉजी की यूज़ के साथ में सीनरी और लैंडमार्क को मिक्स अप कर दिया है. सो वी गोना रिक्वायर यू टू आइडेंटिफाई बोथ द लैंडमार्क एंड द लोकेशन करेक्टली, बट यू कैन ओनली डू इट वंस यू हिट द बजर. तो अपना बजर जो है अपना हाथ रेडी कर लीजिए. रिमेंबर जो बजर पहले चलाएगा उसको मौका मिलेगा टू गिव द करेक्ट आंसर. सो इट्स अ स्पीड राउंड. ऑलराइट,
बात हो गई.
10 seconds में आपका टाइम आप है.
ठीक है.
Alright?
Got it.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Avantika.
Leaning Tower of Pisa and Washington.
Durjoy,
Leaning Tower of Pisa and
location guess कीजिए. The Leaning Tower is obvious.
Yeah, is
It's
it-
the location, yeah.
is it Rome?
No, this
Well-
can be in Paris possibly.
So it is actually जो location है वो Eiffel Tower की location है. हमने Eiffel Tower को replace कर दिया है Leaning Tower
मैंने
से.
बोला था उसको.
तो ये
Because I'll
वाला
tell you, उसकी वो जो पीछे वाली जो बिल्डिंग है ना,
हाँ
वो
जी.
व्हाइट हाउस जैसा लग रहा है.
हाँ
That's
जी,
the problem.
very good. Full marks for getting it wrong. Both of you don't get this one. आइए next visual clue पे जाते हैं.
Okay.
Avantika,
So it's Istanbul. Then
what is the location exactly and what is the landmark का नाम exactly?
oh,
हाँ जी,
okay.
आपका टाइम अप हो चुका है. दुर्जॉय,
This is
Taj
Hagia
Mahal.
Sophia and Taj Mahal.
say that again.
Hagia Sophia and Taj Mahal.
Can we please reveal the correct answers? Blue Mosque और ताज महल, ये भी आप दोनों के हाथ से निकल गया है.
God.
So
चलो next वाला तुम ले लो.
next monumental mix-up. So far, the winning team is the team that's prepared the game.
So
चलिए,
This
Durjoy
is Sydney Opera House.
is the
Sydney Opera House.
is the location of the land. Yes.
Is the landmark,
Okay.
and it is.
Time up. Avantika, let's move on to you.
So it's Sydney Harbour, Sydney and then Harbour Bridge, I think, or New York का bridge तो नहीं है, Harbour Bridge.
So what is your location? Give us one answer.
So Opera House and Harbour Bridge.
So it is the Sydney Harbour,
Yeah.
but the landmark is actually Lotus Temple, Delhi wala.
We should be ashamed of her.
It does look like
अब
Sydney
हम
Harbour.
एक one moment of silence
Okay.
आप दोनों के scores के लिए. Next,
At least
please.
I got one part
All
right.
right, let's go. Yes, Avantika.
It's Mount Fujiyama.
Yes.
And this is Amsterdam.
And you're absolutely right. I'm going to give you that one because it is the Tulip Garden of Amsterdam alongside the backdrop of Japan. Mount Fujiyama. Chaliye. It's pretty
ये वाला game
interesting.
cancel.
It's pretty interesting though, this game. Yes, Durjoy, tell us. Boliye.
That is Acropolis,
Okay.
and and that is Machu Picchu.
चलिए ये वाला रिवील करते हैं एंड आवर स्कोर्स आर राइट नाउ इक्वल 1-1. ये आपका हनीमून जहाँ जाना था
गए थे हम बाद में.
बाद में गए थे. यू डिडंट गो फॉर दिस वन अभी आंसर देने के टाइम पे?
हाँ, बट मैंने शायद देर से दबाया.
चलिए नेक्स्ट वन प्लीज. ऑलराइट अवंतिका, कम ऑन.
So this is Ram Mandir.
ओके.
And then this looks like Abu Dhabi for some reason.
अबू धाबी में कौन सी एक जगह का नाम आप लेना चाहेंगी?
Palace of Emirates something.
चलो, we're going to give it to you for Abu Dhabi, and the correct answer actually really is Qasr Al Watan and the Akshardham Temple. तो राम मंदिर वाली पॉइंट इनकी हमें
I mean that's
adjust करनी पड़ेगी.
No, both of them are wrong, right? You
No,
can't say
this one is
No,
correct.
even Akshardham Temple is wrong, and Qasr Al Watan
Yeah.
is wrong as well.
So should we give it a point or no?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely
No.
not.
I mean,
so
you can't
evil.
call
Do
Akshardham
you
Temple
deserve
as
the
Ram
point,
Mandir.
Avantika?
Yeah, totally.
No.
This is a temple.
No.
It's a little
You have 10
confusing.
seconds to tell us. You have 10 seconds to convince us. You said you're very persuasive.
Yeah.
अभी हमें persuade कीजिए. आपको ये point देना चाहिए या
तो
नहीं?
जो राम मंदिर मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है, बट जो उसका डिजिटल प्लान था ना वो अक्षरधाम से चुराया था, ये प्रॉब्लम है.
That is your misinformation.
वो क्यों नहीं देना चाहिए point? Come on, your 10 seconds.
I mean, she's accepting her own ignorance that I have not seen Ram Mandir. You're arguing against yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, दोनों के 10-10 सेकंड खत्म होते हैं. We will give it to you. All right, 2-1 and अब हाँ जी, Durjoy.
That is Easter Island. Easter Island. The statue is Easter, and that is statue of Rio,
Okay.
on which is standing on.
Yeah.
Answers reveal कीजिए please. You're absolutely right. And the scores are equal once again, 2-all. With that,
एकदम गए हुए हैं ना, इसलिए तुम्हें याद है.
monumental mix-up comes to an end. और हम actually mix-up में आ गए हैं because आपके scores equal हो गए हैं. कोई बहुत major sore loser moment हमें नहीं मिल पाया है, but that only motivates
Because we
us
are
to keep
like
going.
10 people watching us.
I would have fought a lot more on that point,
हाँ, कौन
which
सा
was
वाला?
illegitimately given to her.
अक्षरधाम वाला?
Yeah.
नहीं नहीं, वो बिल्कुल सही था. अक्षरधाम बिल्कुल राम मंदिर जैसा दिखता है, सिर्फ सामने थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है.
सामने से क्या फर्क है?
अरे छोड़ो यार.
नहीं ठीक है. I mean, look, listen. She tried, and I think it was tough.
Yeah.
So I'll give it to you for that.
This
लेकिन
one was very easy. This Sugarloaf Mountain and this thing.
You have been to 78 countries. Everything should be easy for you.
Yeah.
Alright. हम इनको थोड़ा सा स्पेस देते हैं. Some people need a little time to
get
come to
over.
terms. So we're going to give them that, and we'll be right back right here on In the Spotlight Season 2 with Avantika Mohan and Durjoy Datta. Welcome back to Sensodyne Presents In the Spotlight Season 2 powered by Nair in association with Panadol Migraine, जो आज रात इन दोनों को शायद लेनी पड़ सकती है. ज़्यादा झगड़े नहीं करना घर जाके. Alright, अगली गेम के लिए तैयार हो गए हैं हम. अगर झगड़े करोगे प्लीज उसकी स्टोरी जरूर बनाना. टैग कलर्स टीवी मिडल ईस्ट
And Big Boss Season 1 of Middle East. Yeah.
तो हमने इन दोनों से कुछ सवाल पूछे थे, कुछ सच कुछ झूठ पूछे थे. एंड वी आर नाउ गोइंग टू बी प्लेइंग 2 lies and a truth. सो सबसे पहले अवंतिका, वी हैव सम कैटेगरीज जो हमने दुर्जॉय को दी थी एंड ही इज कम अप
brace position.
हाँ जी, ready? Alright, travel destinations was the first topic. Here are your 3 statements. First thing that Durjoy checks in a destination is the weather there. And the second statement, he likes Bali over Budapest. Third statement, first international trip was to Singapore and Malaysia. Bataiye.
Second.
Is the truth or the lie?
Truth.
Is the truth.
Yeah.
And that is actually absolutely correct.
Yeah.
He does like Bali over Budapest. All right. Ab sports mein
It'll be
3
hard.
statements coming in from Durjoy. Favorite batsman Virat Kohli. First test match Wankhede mein dekhi thi. And favorite team is RCB.
Favorite batsman is Virat Kohli.
ये सच है?
सच है.
ये actually झूठ है. Well done. That's
Saurav
a
Ganguly.
point for you.
God!
This is what I knew. This is recency bias.
Yeah.
Because
only-
Virat Kohli is new.
The only truth there was that
But
RCB.
now, like
Now.
now.
But all time?
Achievements. All right, achievements. Favorite book from his series is Till the Last Breath. इनकी अपनी लिखी हुई किताबों में से. Highest selling book is World's Best Boyfriend. And इन्होंने इंग्लिश में टॉप किया था 12th के बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में.
Second one, The World's Best Boyfriend.
Is absolutely correct. So that's actually well done. 2 points to you.
Because तुम्हें like everybody else likes Till the Last Breath, but you like this one.
I thought you'll miss that.
Why?
अब सेम गेम खेली जाएगी तो जॉय आपको जवाब देने हैं. हमने इनको 3 कैटेगरीज दी थी एंड चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज वाज हर फर्स्ट कैटेगरी. शी नोज हाउ टू फाइट विद अ नाइफ. शी फेल्ड इन क्लास 7 and she got caught cheating in school.
Oh my god, all of these seem true. Avantika is capable of all these 3 things.
Avantika, what is this?
She knows how to fight with a knife.
Is the correct answer. Well done, Durjoy.
Arya Vihangini.
TV series is the next category and her 3 statements are: favorite show is Ted Lasso, favorite character is Phil from Modern Family, favorite show as a child was Dekh Bhai Dekh.
Phil, favorite character.
That is also the correct answer. You guys are tied right now. You have the chance of winning this game.
Very nice.
हाँ, अगर ये तीसरा बार आपने क्रैक कर दिया, you're winning. All right?
You win this one, I'll win in life. You know me well.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. It's
Accessories and collectibles. Avantika says that she has collected pictures of Shah Rukh Khan. She used to make bead necklaces and sell them, and she used to collect coins.
bead necklaces.
The such there is that she used to collect coins. एक बार फिर से एक और round.
Just imagining things now from your childhood.
Well, one thing is obvious. You guys are the perfect match for each other, and a lot like Sensodyne Clinical White, that symbolizes the perfect match of giving you 2 shades whiter teeth and 24/7 sensitivity protection. अब देखते हैं कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे से एक आखिरी बार कितना टफ टाई ब्रेकर में भिड़ पाएंगे. Ready?
God. After calling us perfect, get us to the war.
Again.
Yeah, let's go.
One last time, because we need to have a winner, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, chaliye. This next game is called Read My Lips. All right, we're going to be playing some really loud music into these headphones, blasting them into your ears. Avantika, आपके सामने there is a bunch of phrases, बिल्कुल सामने. You're not going to open it till I tell you to. All right?
Okay.
एक एक करके वो phrase आप दुर्जॉय को समझाना शुरू करेंगी, and he has
So
to try
who
and guess
wins?
it.
जो समझाएगा या जो बोलेगा?
So all right. So if he's able to guess what you're saying, he gets the point.
Yeah, get it.
ठीक है? चलिए, आप headphones पहन लीजिए. Is the music on?
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah. All right. Let's hear it. I can hear it यहाँ तक तो काफी loud है. चलिए अवंतिका, अब आपके सामने जो चीजें लिखी हुई हैं, इन्हें आप एक एक करके दुर्जॉय को समझाएंगी.
Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and
थोड़ा
the
कुछ
Beast.
गेस कीजिए.
मुट्ठी नहीं पसंद.
Beauty.
Okay, last chance.
मुंह पे तिनका.
Very good. Please
Beauty
move to the
and the
next
Beast.
one, Avantika.
That's a bestseller.
That's the best.
That's a bestseller.
That's a bestseller.
Very good.
Yeah.
अगला वाला.
The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn.
This is really
Adventure
Of Huckleberry Finn.
of
Huckleberry Finn.
Hatim Tai.
time up. Next one. चलिए.
Someone stole my money. Someone stole my money.
Someone
Stole my money.
stole my milk.
Next one, please.
Of course, I love you till I find someone better.
Of course, I love you till I find someone better.
Oh, well done. चलिए. The 3 that you did not get, Avantika.
Are Beauty and the Beast, Adventures of Huckleberry Finn.
Huckleberry Finn है Hatim Tai.
Someone stole my money.
Stole my money.
Stole my milk.
Milk.
That's hilarious. चलिए. Now it's going to be Avantika's turn to put on those headphones.
I lost my passport.
I lost my passport.
Correct. क्या बात है? चलिए.
Till the last breath. Till the last breath.
Till the last breath.
That's it. Through joy.
Can she hear this? Did you keep the stroller?
You keep the show. दोबारा बोलो.
Did you keep the stroller? Did you keep the stroller?
You keep the stroller. मुंह खोल के बोलो तुझे cheater.
Next one. Next one.
Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets.
What?
Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets.
Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone.
Next one.
Harry Potter बोल दिया? ये बोला तुमने?
Let's go to the
Turja, you have to move your mouth. This is cheating.
Let's go to the Eiffel Tower.
Let's go to Eiffel Tower.
Okay.
Oh gosh,
what
with
happened?
that you actually win. You won.
Oh, I won.
You won.
Right.
Congratulations.
Why were you not moving your mouth?
No, but
cheater?
could you hear it? Because this is very difficult.
No.
Yeah, it was a little suspicious. आपने
Yeah.
जितनी speed से पहला वाला guess कर लिया, but the ones you didn't get were Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets.
Oh.
And did you keep the stroller? Yeah, but you got 3, and that means आप इस game की भी winner होती हैं और overall
game
guide
की
में
भी.
The only
That's
game.
it, tiebreaker. That was the tiebreaker. That's it. She wins.
Durja,
Okay.
I was invited.
Okay.
I'm really sorry to break this to you.
This conversation will never end because you got a point you should not have gotten.
चलिए हम तीनों जाकर के अभी डायरेक्टर साहब को ढूंढने वाले हैं. उन्होंने गेम्स पर बड़ी मेहनत की थी. फाइनल डिसीजन उन्हीं का होगा. बट डू कम बैक वंस अगेन नेक्स्ट वीक to join us on In the Spotlight Season 2. बड़े मजे का episode was promised and we delivered. Thank you, Avantika.
Thank you, Karishma. We really, really
thank you.
enjoyed.
Thank
All
you.
things
Really
said
enjoyed.
fun, but thanks for making me win. Yeah.
See you again next week, same place, same time.
See you.